Let's talk about groundnuts, also known as peanuts depending on where you're from. These small, unassuming legumes might look simple, but they hold a world of potential. For most people, groundnuts are just a tasty snack, something to munch on during a break or at a gathering. But for farmers, they represent much more than that. They're a genuine business opportunity, a chance to transform hard work into real income. With the right approach, dedication, and a bit of know-how, you can turn these humble legumes into a steady paycheck that supports your family and community. Groundnuts are tough. They thrive where other crops might fail, especially in dry or challenging soils. And the best part? They're always in demand, whether sold raw, roasted as creamy peanut butter, or pressed into oil for cooking. Plus, groundnuts do wonders for your land. They fix nitrogen in the soil, naturally enriching it and making it better for future crops. This means healthier fields and better harvests year after year. Now let's be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Success in groundnut farming takes patience, knowledge, and plenty of effort. But if you stick with it, it's a solid, sustainable way to make a living and build something lasting. In this series, we'll cover everything you need to know. How to choose the right land, the best ways to plant and care for your crop, and smart strategies for selling your harvest for top dollar. If you're ready to put in the work, groundnut farming could be your ticket to a brighter future, offering both financial rewards and personal satisfaction. So grab a notepad, jot down your ideas, and let's get started on this journey together. Farming is tough work, there's no denying it. But the payoff, both in earnings and pride, is absolutely real. You'll face dirt, bugs, and unpredictable weather. There will be challenges, setbacks, and days when things don't go as planned. But there's a deep satisfaction in building something from the ground up, watching your hard work turn into a harvest you can be proud of. So let's dig in and discover how groundnuts can truly pay off for you, your family, and your future. You can't grow great groundnuts in bad soil. The journey to a successful harvest starts right here, with your hands in the earth, feeling its texture and richness. Every handful tells a story about what your crop will become. Land prep is about more than looks. It's about giving your crop the best start. A well-prepared field is like a blank canvas, ready for the seeds of your hard work and hope. Plow deep, 6 to 8 inches, to loosen soil and help drainage. This deep tilling breaks up hard layers, allowing roots to stretch and water to flow freely. Groundnuts love well-drained sandy loam. Avoid heavy clay, which suffocates roots and makes harvest tough. Sandy loam lets air and water move easily, creating the perfect home for your crop. Good drainage is key. Wet feet mean sick plants. If water sits around, roots rot and yields drop. Raised beds and channels help keep things dry and healthy. The soil is where roots spread, pegs penetrate, and pods develop. Loose, fertile ground lets every part of the plant do its job, from root to pod. Hard or waterlogged soil means poor yields. Compacted earth blocks roots while too much water drowns them. Both spell trouble for your harvest. Don't skip this step. It's the foundation of your farm. Careful preparation now saves you from problems later, making every other step easier. Test your soil before planting. A simple test can reveal hidden issues and help you plan for success. A soil test tells you what nutrients you have, what you're missing, and the pH. Knowing this helps you make smart choices for your crop. Groundnuts like a pH between 5.8 and 6.5. Too acidic? Add lime. Adjusting pH gives your plants the best environment to thrive. Missing nutrients? Add the right fertilizer. Balanced nutrition means stronger plants, better growth, and higher yields. Give your groundnuts the best start, and you'll save headaches later. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants, and healthy plants mean less work, fighting pests and disease. Good soil prep means healthier plants and bigger profits. The effort you put in now comes back to you at harvest, filling your sacks and your wallet. Invest time here, it pays off at harvest. Every minute spent preparing your soil is an investment in your future success. Your future self will thank you. The satisfaction of a great harvest starts with the dirt beneath your boots, so treat it well, and it will reward you. With your land ready, it's time to pick the right seeds. Don't gamble on last year's leftovers. Choose certified seeds suited to your region. Certified seeds mean better germination, disease resistance, and higher yields. It's an investment, not an expense. Treat your seeds before planting. Use a fungicide to guard against rot, and inoculant if it's a new field. Healthy seeds lead to strong seedlings and better crops. Seed treatment boosts germination and early growth. helping your plants outcompete weeds and resist pests. The right start makes all the difference. Ask your local ag office for the best varieties. Don't cut corners here, quality seeds pay off. Strong plants mean more pods and bigger profits. Set yourself up for success from day one. A little care now saves a lot of trouble later. Let's get those seeds ready to grow. Now, it's planting time. Timing matters. Wait for soil temps around 18 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and after the last frost. Plant seeds 1.5 to 2 inches deep. Too shallow, they dry out. Too deep, they struggle. Consistent depth means even growth. Space bunch types 1-2 feet between rows, 4-6 inches in row. Runners need wider rows. Good spacing helps airflow, disease prevention, and easier harvest. Plant by hand for small plots, or use a planter for bigger fields. The goal seeds at the right depth and spacing, with good soil contact. Take your time. Proper planting sets up your whole season. Uniform stands make management easier. Do it right, and your peanuts will thank you. Let's get those seeds in the ground. Groundnuts are tough, but they need water, especially during flowering, pegging, and pod development. Miss these stages and your yield drops. Keep soil moist down to the roots, but avoid waterlogging. Groundnuts hate wet feet. Sandy soils dry fast. Check moisture with a trowel. Good drainage is as important as irrigation. Feed your plants too: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and especially calcium for pod filling. Use your soil test to guide fertilizer choices. Apply some fertilizer at planting, and more at flowering or pegging. Gypsum over the pegging zone supplies calcium right where pods need it. Healthy, well-fed plants mean bigger, better peanuts. Don't just feed the soil, feed the plant. Invest in water and nutrients, and you'll see the payoff at harvest. Monitor, adjust, and keep your crop thriving. Smart watering and feeding are key to profit. Your peanuts will show the results. Farming groundnuts means fighting weeds, pests, and diseases. Weeds steal water, nutrients, and sunlight. Control them early by hand or with safe herbicides. Combine methods: early cultivation plus targeted herbicide if needed. Keep fields clean for better yields. Pests like aphids, thrips, and borers can devastate crops. Scout your fields regularly. Catch problems early. Use insecticides only if needed, and choose ones that spare beneficial insects. Diseases like leaf spot and rust are another threat. Rotate crops, use resistant varieties, and maintain good spacing to prevent outbreaks. Sometimes, fungicides are necessary if disease strikes. Integrated pest management is your best defense. Stay vigilant. Healthy plants mean more profit. Don't let weeds or bugs steal your hard work. Act fast and protect your investment. Smart management keeps your crop safe. Stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Here's the magic. Groundnuts flower above ground, but the pods grow below. 4 to 6 weeks after planting, yellow flowers appear. After pollination, the flower stalk, peg, pushes into the soil. Loose, friable soil is crucial. Hard ground means no peanuts. Each peg can become a pod with up to 4 kernels. This is when moisture and calcium matter most. Stress now means empty shells. Don't let it happen. Don't disturb soil around plants once pegging starts. Apply gypsum to the pegging zone for better pod fill. Support this unique process for a bigger harvest. Understand what's happening underground. It guides your management. The real action is hidden, but the results show at harvest. After months of work, it's harvest time. Look for yellowing leaves and check sample pods. Mature pods have dark inner shells and plump kernels. Don't wait too long or you'll lose pods to sprouting or breakage. For small plots, loosen soil and pull plants by hand. For big fields, use mechanical diggers. Dry the plants in the field, pods up, for a few days. Proper drying prevents mold and aflatoxin, which can ruin your crop. After field drying, pluck pods and dry further to 8–10% moisture. Use tarps or dryers if needed. Clean your peanuts. Remove dirt and debris. Good drying and cleaning mean better quality and price. Get your crop ready for storage or sale. Harvest right, and you'll reap the rewards. Now it's time to turn your hard work into real profit. Harvesting is just the beginning. What you do next can make all the difference in your income. Start by grading your nuts carefully. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for peanuts that are uniform in size, clean, and free from damage. High-quality, well-graded peanuts always attract better prices and more buyers. Proper storage is crucial. Keep your peanuts in a cool, dry, and rodent-proof place to maintain their freshness and quality. Good storage prevents spoilage and protects your investment until you're ready to sell. When it comes to selling, explore all your options. You can sell to local traders, approach wholesalers, or even connect directly with processors for potentially higher returns. Each option has its own advantages, so choose what works best for you. Always research current prices and compare offers from different buyers. Don't rush into the first deal. Taking time to negotiate can mean more money in your pocket. Working together with other farmers can give you greater bargaining power. Forming or joining a cooperative helps you access better markets, share resources, and negotiate higher prices as a group. Think about value addition. Turning your peanuts into products like peanut butter, roasted nuts, oil, or flour can significantly boost your profits. These products often fetch higher prices and open up new markets. Even small-scale processing at home or in a community workshop can pay off. You don't need big machines to start. Simple tools and creativity can add real value. Match your products to what people in your area want. Homemade peanut butter, fresh roasted nuts, or locally produced peanut oil can become popular and profitable if you meet local tastes and needs. Use water wisely. Techniques like drip irrigation and mulching help conserve moisture, reduce costs, and ensure your crops stay healthy, especially during dry spells. If your market pays more for organic produce, consider switching to organic methods. Organic peanuts can command a premium price and attract health-conscious buyers. To get certified organic, avoid synthetic chemicals and follow the guidelines carefully. Certification can open doors to new, higher-paying markets. Keep learning and adapting. Attend workshops, watch instructional videos, and stay updated on new farming techniques. The more you know, the better your yields and profits will be. Farming is tough work, but making smart choices and staying determined can make it truly rewarding. Every challenge is a chance to learn and grow. Stay curious, stay sharp, and always look for ways to improve your farming practices. Small improvements add up over time. The market rewards quality and innovation. Strive for excellence in every step, from planting to packaging, and your efforts will be noticed. With the right moves, groundnuts can become your path to prosperity. Make every harvest count, and let your hard work lead to lasting success.